Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a good VHS coloring for your video in CapCut. So this coloring can be used if you want to have a vintage looks to your video. So first you need to go to filter, then find the VHS filter. You can find it maybe under the retro. Okay, this one VHS1, then set it into 100. Okay, click on a check icon, then click on polish and go to adjust. So go to exposure and increase it into 15, then click on sharpen 100, then last click on shadow and lower it into a -50. Then you'll have that VHS looks in your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.